equals. This is a comparison operator. It's used to provide an exact match. So there's no half words that you can put in. You have to put in the exact phrase, the exact word, the exact value that you're after. It's the simplest and most used operator. And to use that, you just use the equal sign. For string text, such as words, names, towns, cities, quotes are needed either side of the value that you're putting in. If you don't, it will error. So let's look at some examples. So I've opened up a new query. I'm going to use AdventureWorks 2017. Execute that. So now I'm querying AdventureWorks. I'll just select, start from. Let's have a look at some tables. Let's look at human resources schema and the employee table. You can select everything from there. However, I might want to see just the Chief Executive Officer. So I can use my where clause, use my job title. Now, as this is a word, I need to put it in quotes. I can run that and it will return. If I don't have quotes in there, you'll have this horrible squiggly line to show you that you need quotes, and it will error. So let's have a look at his sick leave hours. So I can drag this where sick leave hours equals 69. I'll run that and that'll show me everyone in that table who has sick leave hours of 69. Now I can also put this in quotes as well and it won't error, it will still pass that in. Perfect. That is how we use the equals operator. It needs to be an exact match. So if I was just to put Chief Executive up here, it's not going to return anything. So that's an example of how we use the equal operator.